Alrighty, folks. I got my monkey butt set off. People here on the corner seems to be setting up for a yard sale or something. Of course, they seem to have a yard sale once a month, which is nothing unusual for them. Come to the conclusion that they go off, buy stuff from other yard sales, bring it in. That's just the way that wacky woman works. I've always thought that's the way she does things. But she's got a whole bunch of stuff that she's been trying to sell. She ain't never sold it. So, yeah. Anything's possible with her. But, yeah. I thought I'd get out here. Yawn my head off. Complain about being tired. Get my monkey butt off to school. And walk out into the fog. Lord, is it foggy. Really ain't that bad, but it's foggy. Just enough that when you look down the street, it looks a little creepy. Wasn't that noisy a few minutes ago? Traffic just picked up. That's encouraging. But yeah, just thought I'd do a little. Well, they didn't even rant this time. But it's a so far so good day. Just tired. Oh, rain crows. Sort of sounds like a little bit of a hoot owl. But it's not a hoot owl. If you live out into the country, you probably know what a rain crow is. Oh, look, more junk mail. Why is it we always get junk? Never anything good. You won $1 million. That would be nice. Publishers Clearinghouse, come and visit me. Really. You sent me a text. Ooh, you won. Oh, you lost, really. You've lied to enough people over the years. You've gotten sued for it. Now you're just a little bit more careful. But yeah, seems to be a little bit of a drab and dreary day so far, but yeah, the sun really ain't got up yet. I still try to poke through and decide to wake up, like the rest of us. But you know how that goes. I'm gonna come on in fight my way through the kittens, go back to bed, and get just a little bit more sleep. But yeah, we'll be talking to y'all a little soon. So y'all have a good, be good. Like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye.